What's going on YouTube? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Bitcoin. We're also going to get into the altcoins. What I want to do is start in on CoinMarketCap here and take a look at a few different things that we're paying attention to because we're looking for that alt season down the road here, that serious altcoin season. And what we're going to need to see is the Bitcoin dominance dropping. So right now the Bitcoin dominance is sitting roughly at about 60.6% right now. Yesterday I believe it was 60.8%, so we're dropping just a little bit here. The overall market cap is 1.78 trillion and we're up 4.30%. What I want to do is just go through the top 10 here, and then we're going to go to TradingView and we're going to get into those on the charts for us. Okay, but Bitcoin right now we're sitting around, we'll call it $58,000 in the last 24 hours, up 4.69%. Ethereum still fighting with that $1,800 range right now. We're up about 1.01. Cardano's had a really explosive move here, up 14%. It's at $1.42. Binance coin 264. Don't really mention Tether much there. Polkadot at $36, guys. Really nice move out of Polkadot here. Overall market cap's at 33 billion. XRP's at 47, Uniswap's at 30, Litecoin's at 201, and then rounding out the top 10 here is Chainlink at 29.61, and that has a market cap of about 12 billion right now. So if we end up getting into the charts, there's a few more altcoins that I want to get into with you here. So you can see Kyber Network doing really well today. It's up 14%. And this is the life of Kyber Network here. This is one that's been doing really well. And the main thing that we would want to see right now is to turn $2.46 into support. So you can see we broke through that previous resistance area, and what we would want to see is for us to turn that into support if we do get a little retracement here. But right now it's basically blue sky breakouts, and if we do get a serious move out of here with the RSI being at 76, typically we get a little bit of a selling off around roughly about 85 on the RSI, so that could give us room to get up there to maybe around that $4 before we start cooling down. But overall, this is a really nice pattern. You can see this big rounded bottom right here, pushed up, almost had one of those lips, like almost like a cup and handle type deal, and now we're getting that nice move on heavier volume. So looking really nice there for Kyber Network. In my opinion, guys, not financial advice. If you're a longer term investor in this is just where you want to turn on those moving averages and just look at the trend and watch the trend. And the trend has been up, as you can see, for Kyber Network. If we get into band next, it's at 1476. Same deal, that big cup formation, almost looking like we could get a handle here and then another explosive move to the upside. And this is all on the 1 day time frame, so we want to be aware of that. These moves that we're looking at are going to take time to develop. In terms of overhead resistance, we try to get up above, call it $14.93, then it'd be up to around that $19.21. In terms of support, we want to continue to hold $12.73. MACD starting to get that bullish cross. The RSI is at 55 right now, so not in that overbought condition. Another one I was talking to people about here was one of the two coins I was mentioning in video about 2 or 3 days ago. Two surprise coins that I really like. This is one of them here doing really well. This is at $55 right now, and this is NMR, and this is on the 1 day time frame, trading up above the 20, the 50, the 100, and the 200. There you can see the RSI curving to the upside. MACD cross, we got that bullish cross on heavier volume. The RSI is at about 72 right now. Typically when we sell off, it can get as high as about 83. Now if we're able to get over top of roughly about 56.37, and then the wicks of roughly about 67.72, it would be blue sky breakouts then, or price discovery for NMR. And this one that has a small overall total supply, I believe it's only about 11 million, and that's one of the reasons why it interested me. The next one we're going to get into is Balancer, and I'm just going to kind of rip through some of these guys, just moving quicker. Same deal, up above the 20, the 50, the 100, and the 200, looking good there. Trends up. This is one, not financial advice. If you're in it longer term, just sit back and continue to let this one ride. The RSI is at 66 right now, so not too crazy, nothing overbought. Main support area, we want to hold about 52.29. Overhead resistance about 65.71 is what we're going to be looking at there. Then I want to get into a few more up here. Zcash is at 173. I want to take a look at Digibyte, passing that 7 cent area right now, so a really nice little move here for Digibyte. On the 1 day time frame, we got a bullish MACD cross there. RSI is at about 62. Overhead resistance that we are trying to close above now is 0.06933, and then it'd be up to around that 0.8638. We want to continue to see that heavier volume coming in. RSI sitting at 62, not too bad. plenty of room if the bulls want to continue to drive this price to the upside there. We'd want to hold as support 0.06265. So if you like me covering Digibyte, let me know down low. You're here for Digibyte. And also, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, help this channel out. Trying to go through as many altcoins as possible just to help people out here. But you can see this nice little rounded move here for Digibyte. Let's see if we can continue to keep that moving, get up above that 8 cents. So if you're here for Digibyte, let me know down low. We'll take a look at Tezos next. And if you like this rapid fire, guys, where we cover more coins, obviously we can't get as far in depth, but if you like this from time to time, the rapid fire on the coins, let me know down low. So what we're looking at for Tezos here, we need to get up above $4.53, then overhead resistance about 502, then we look up to around that 550. Then above that, it could be blue sky breakouts. RSI is at 57 on the 1-day time frame. That really nice rounded bottom, guys. Same deal, almost that cup and handle potential formation where we could get a nice blast to the upside there. Bullish MACD cross is taking place. We just want to continue to see that volume, about average volume yesterday, so we want to see that volume picking up. And to continue to hold, I would say above $3.76 is going to be an important support area for us for Tezos. But this is the lifespan of Tezos here, guys. If you take a look, it's in a very clear macro uptrend. Nice higher lows coming in here, and this is basically the trend line we're going to keep an eye on here overall for Tezos. So if we can get another nice push up here, guys, things could get explosive, right? You can see when it does make its moves, it's huge moves when it does come in. This really big move here, a lot of percentage gains. So that's Tezos. Let me know if you're here for that. Take a look at Link. We're at 29.72 right now. We had a really nice day yesterday on about average volume for Link. So the main area of support, we don't want to drop below 26.25 is going to be the support area. Overhead resistance we need to crack is going to be 31.80, and then be up to around that $35 range that we've been up to before. Just really looking at the price action, still up above all our moving averages. If we pull them off, see guys, this is what we want to hold right here, higher low, right? And then we drop down to the next one if it does change. RSI is at 52. Kissing here on the MACD, so nothing too crazy there. Overall, you can see we are still throwing a buy signal there for Link. So we just want to see almost one of these little pennant formations, see if we can get that nice big break to the upside, and it could take us as high as $50 down the road here. Okay, guys, obviously it's going to take some time. You can see yesterday we had a really nice pump, and today it's down 4.5%. All right, that's the name of the game. If you take a look at ADA, it's at $1.42 right now. OMG at 583. It's kind of working our way up through here. Neo having a nice day at about $45, down 1.48%, but this has really been a nice move for Neo. Let's go into Ethereum. Take a look at ETH. Now ETH really paying attention to the price action here. Okay, so once we hit our low of about 1,292, we pushed up. Here's our higher low. Pushed up again. Higher low. Pushed up again. We're trying to keep this higher low, because if we get pushed down, then what this would be is a lower high, right? Then we get pushed down again, lower low, lower high, and that's how you get in those downtrends. But I almost feel like right now we're just chopping back and forth. Could we drop down lower? Absolutely. But still, as long as we stay in this formation, right down in this range, and we can just bounce back and forth, I'm fine. I want to stay up above 1,455 is going to be the support. Overhead resistance that we need to crack is going to be about 1,934, and then it's going to be up around that $2,038. MACD, the histogram is starting to tick to the negative a little bit here, so we do want to pay attention to that. Relative strengths at 54, so we're just running a little bit more neutral is what we're looking at. But I do not believe, guys, in just my opinion, I don't believe the bull run's over for Ethereum. If we turn this on the 1-day time frame here, still trading up above the 20 EMA, the 50, the 100, and the 200. So very important. If we get into the technicals for Ethereum, we have a 4 sell, a 10 neutral, and a 12 buy. Oscillators 1 sell, 9 neutral, and a 1 buy. Moving averages 3 sell, 1 neutral, and 11 buy. So just be patient, guys. That's what I wanted to bring to you today. God bless each and every one of you. If you ever want to help this channel out, we got some addresses in the description. A like, subscribe, comments, always appreciated. God bless you all. Take care, and don't stress.